everyone, welcome to tonight's Say Different Reactions.
In this video we're going to check out someone completely new for us. This guy, I did some research, it's pronounced Lynyrd Skynyrd. Lynyrd Skynyrd. And the song is called?
Free Bird.
This one's a bit of a marathon, it's almost 12 minutes long, but we got a bunch of requests for it, so we're going to dive in and check it out. We recently also rebranded, redesigned, and are set to relaunch the Patreon page. It's called The Resonance Room. It's really cool. I'll put a link down below, but we'll be giving more information about that coming up. Let's go.
Let's go.
That's an excited crowd. Listen to the crowds.
Would you still remember me? I must be traveling on now.
I like this vibe.
'Cause there's too many places I've got to see. Pretty for Oakland.
Is there any boys in that crowd?
Billy Powell on piano.
This is nice.
you know, I'm there and I can feel the wind just blow my hair. Oh, that's so nice with the song.
Lord knows I'm to blame. But if I stay with you now, well, things just couldn't be the same. 'Cause I'm as free as a bird. How about you? One of the great ones, Lynyrd Skynyrd. Let's hear it for them.
Wow, look at that.
Man, that band's so good, you'd think they were from San Francisco, would you?
It must be so big, so popular in that time.
Well, look at the stadium. And you heard from
Yeah.
the first note, the crowd went fucking nuts. That was unbelievable.
Oh
That was
my
unbelievable.
goodness.
It was a really nice song.
I don't feel like 12 minutes. I'm completely
no, I know.
in it. Can you imagine that you're actually in there?
There, and it just takes off and everyone's just jumping
you can
around.
smell the freedom.
Especially if you didn't know the song. And you're like, oh, this is quite a nice song. Like we were.
Yeah,
we were
I
like,
was
oh, this
just
is really
like,
nice.
oh,
It's
like a
beautiful.
loving song.
Oh, it's a sweet song. Okay, he's leaving her, but like it's still quite nice to be. And then it just like erupted, and that guy in the white suit, he went nuts.
Yeah, the middle guy.
He went nuts.
Yeah.
And then another two people came from where did they come from, and then they were
joining the
was
party.
Absolutely unbelievable.
Mhm.
That was so good.
Yeah, the hot part was so, like beautiful,
Yeah.
nice. It's and chill, but then just suddenly turned to a like crazy metal.
Yeah, so I guess that was him being free.
Yeah.
Right? That was the freedom. He's flying like a bird and just like
Yeah.
totally
I like
losing
that
losing his
explanation.
his
Yeah.
mind. Like, oh, I can fly and totally
Yeah.
free and just
It was in
go
a
nuts.
it was in a relationship, and it's about like being a loving bird, and then suddenly he like somehow he couldn't do that, or he just broke up, and then be himself again, like a free bird, not loving bird, but a free bird. Yeah. Wow, give her a score.
Yeah, I'm in shock. It's
Yeah.
unbelievable.
Give her a score.
My score is 10 out of 10.
I want to give a.
Just don't go lower just because you thought you gave
I-
too many
no.
10s recently.
No, not like that. Right? It
it's
seems
10.
like I don't have
It's
any
a-
reason to not give a 10.
It is 10. It must be 10.
9.99999.
No.
Okay, I'm kidding. Just 10.
10. It
I
has to
really
be
love,
10.
Yeah, I really love it.
Oh my god. That's probably not the number one place that I want to be. Like, to watch a concert. If I could choose any from... We've seen a lot of great ones. A lot of awesome, like, concerts. But I think being there might be the best. Right?
You're one of the best.
Damn.
Yeah.
Alright, thanks for watching. And see you on the next one.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye.